Recently, a groundbreaking collaboration took place between Physical Intelligence, a global leader in embodied AI, and Astribot, a cutting-edge humanoid robot company from China. The partnership integrated PI's first-generation universal humanoid model, PIO, into Astribot's humanoid robot, Astribot S1, with the Pi Zero model on board. The S1 essentially received a universal brain upgrade. In a demo video, the S1 seamlessly operates like a skilled barista, effortlessly brewing coffee without any mechanical hiccups. Navigating a complex tabletop environment, it swiftly retrieves a randomly placed paper cup, picks up instant coffee powder using its robotic gripper, and adeptly presses the coffee machine's button, all with remarkable fluidity. The Pi Zero model, developed by PI's world-renowned team in embodied AI, serves as a vision language action flow model designed for universal robot control. This enables users to command humanoid robots to perform virtually any task. In other demos, Pi Zero powers dual-arm robots to complete household chores like starting a washing machine, folding clothes, and packing boxes, tasks many robots still struggle to execute autonomously. Astribot S1, launched in July, is already a high-performance embodied AI system capable of cooking meals, feeding pets, refilling water, brewing tea, and even playing musical instruments. With the addition of Pi Zero's advanced training, the S1 reaches a new level of intelligence, significantly enhancing its generalization capabilities for everyday tasks. This breakthrough marks a major step toward Astribot's vision of creating humanoid robots truly capable of serving households worldwide.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about the exciting intersection of robotics and aluminum die casting.